Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following is a prominent wildlife conservation area located in the Democratic Republic of Congo? A. Serengeti National Park. B. Virunga National Park. C. Kruger National Park. D. Etosha National Park. Option B is correct. Virunga National Park is one of the most prominent and important wildlife conservation areas located in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. It is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is famous for its biodiversity and as the habitat of the critically endangered mountain gorillas. The park spans a variety of ecosystems, including volcanoes, savannas, and tropical forests, and is home to a wide range of species, some of which are endangered or rare, such as the eastern lowland gorilla, okapi, and various bird species. Consider the following with reference to the International Labour Organization, ILO. 1. The ILO is a specialized agency of the United Nations. 2. The ILO's headquarters is located in Geneva, Switzerland. 3. The ILO's primary mandate is to regulate international trade and commerce. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer B. 1 and 2 only. Statement 1 is correct. The International Labour Organization, ILO, is indeed a specialized agency of the United Nations, which works to promote social justice and labor rights globally. Statement 2 is correct. The ILO's headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland, which is a hub for various international organizations. Statement 3 is incorrect. The ILO's primary mandate is to promote social justice by setting international labor standards, such as fair working conditions, the elimination of child labor, and equal rights at work. It does not regulate international trade and commerce, which is the role of organizations like the World Trade Organization, WTO.